Want to manage your Instagram account and run ads directly from Meta Business Manager? Let me show you how to connect your Instagram account step by step. First, log into business.facebook.com using your Meta Business account. From the left-hand menu, click Business Settings. Under the Accounts section, select Instagram Accounts. Now, click the blue Add button. You'll see a checkbox to agree to Meta's integration terms. Tick the checkbox, then click Add Instagram Account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log in. Enter your Instagram username and password and click Login. Once the login is successful, your Instagram account will be added to your business manager. Sometimes Meta may ask for an additional login to verify access or enable extra settings. If that happens, simply log in again to complete the connection. Next, assign people to this Instagram account so your team can manage it or create ads. Just click Add People, choose the user, and give them the appropriate permissions. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now fully connected to Meta Business Manager, ready for ads, analytics, and business tools.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.